As the COVID-19 vaccine becomes available in a steady supply, mass immunization hubs will be set up in Grey and Bruce counties to administer thousands of doses throughout the spring and summer. When you've received notice from the government that you are eligible, you can book your appointment. Here is what to expect. 2 methods will soon be available to book your appointments: the online provincial booking portal or the telephone hotline. Once available, you'll be able to access them directly from the Grey Bruce Health Unit website, the COVID-19 vaccine app, or the provincial vaccine website. Bring your mask and health card and arrive on time, not too early nor too late. If you come by car, parking lot signage and on-site attendants will direct you where to park. Follow the signs to the vaccination center entrance and put on your mask before you enter the building. Inside, a staff member will greet you and ask you a number of standard screening questions. You'll proceed to the registration area where you will give your name, health card number, and contact information. Then you will be directed to a waiting area where you can expect a few minutes wait while the vaccine bay is cleaned. A staff member will guide you to the appropriate vaccine bay, where you will be instructed to place your belongings under the chair, pull up your sleeve, and await the nurse. After confirming your consent, the vaccine team will administer your dose and discuss aftercare with you. You will wait for 15 minutes to make sure that you're feeling well. An aftercare nurse will be available if you have any concerns. The vaccine times are posted on the wall to indicate when to expect the aftercare nurse, who will let you know when you can depart from the center. Follow the arrows to the exit, and please do not stop to talk with anyone. If you require a receipt, you can stop at the receipt station on your way to the exit or request that it will be emailed to you. Understanding and respecting these procedures will make sure that the vaccines are administered promptly and efficiently.